I'm back, guys, but I'm not installing hair today. We're just gonna be styling my hair today because I thought I would take pictures and I wanted to show y'all how I'm gonna do my hair. And since it's a different style, why not show y'all? So today I'm going to be doing a little cute curly style with like 2 butterfly clips, giving like Y2K vibes maybe. So yeah, just want to take you guys on the journey with me, or take you guys with me while I do my hair. So yeah, I made a video on how I installed this hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig, y'all. I love it so much. I'll leave the video and the hair details in my description box so y'all can check it out. So yeah, let's get right to it. Sorry, I just wanted y'all to see how great this closure is. I didn't put no makeup in the part. Like, come on now. Come on. One of the best laces I've worked with. Amazing.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you.
The curls are so bouncy. Like, this hair is amazing. I've been wearing it for a couple days now. I haven't been wrapping it. Probably just my edges, if anything. But, y'all, what? Bomb. Alright, so I just finished curling and I let the curls set, let them cool off. So now I'm about to finger comb them out. I'm going for a messy look, so I'm just doing whatever. Also, I curled them different directions to help give the messy look. All right, I have these butterfly clips that I'm gonna use. I want to use the clear, but I only got one of them, so I'm gonna just use the black because the brown does not go in my outfit. So yeah, hopefully I could just pin it back and not have to rubber band it.
Block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Why am I the flash, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth, baby.
Yeah, I think I'm a rubber band it so it can be where I want it to be. And look at the parting space. I love this. This 5x5 closure is giving it to me. So yeah, I'm gonna go take my pictures so I can post them on Instagram. Eyebrows look thick than a mug. I promise y'all these are my eyebrows. I just lined the bottom, but I need to get them thinner. Maybe one day. Not today. So yeah, y'all, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.